Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you at the back of my garden. My cousin will explain it.
Okay, going back to. I'm gonna explain it thing. Here is it. A coconut stuck in the cactus. And the cactus, the dragon fruit has stuck in the cactus. And the cactus is stuck into the both sides.
Can't stop. And I have a giant dragon fruit just growing. And wait, I'll show you my cousin something.
What the frick? Oh!
Wait guys, look.
Who just joined me?
A burning bud in a burning bud.
Who's keeping the sky?
I don't know.
I got nothing.
Bye guys.
Wait, can you-
Bye.